Welcome to the channel. Today we got an Audi A5. So, Audi, how are you doing? Sorry? How do you like your upgrade so far? Yeah, let's fix that. Kick in the intro!
You again.
Okay, before we start this video, I would like to thank all my subscribers for their love and support. In this episode, we will install a new stainless steel downpipe and a new stainless steel pipe to delete the resonator. Start by removing the engine cover. After that, undo the screw and remove the airbox to reach to the downpipe. Now exhausts are hot. Before working on them, blow on some cold air to cool it down. Remove oxygen sensor number 1. Now pedal the car to remove oxygen sensor number 2. Undo all 4 bolts holding the downpipe. This can take some time due to very limited space. Now jack up the car and wait for the jack to make strange noises. In order to get to the exhaust, we have to remove the plastic covers. Remove the 3 bolts holding the exhaust, or at least try to. Sadly, the bolts were rusted and ruined, so let the fun begin. Without any complications, take out the old downpipe and compare it to the new one. Now don't reinstall the sensors like we did. Do this later when the downpipe is installed. Out with the old and in with the new. Install the new downpipe. Of course it doesn't fit, so spend the next hours to modify the holes to make it fit. Good luck. And just like that, the new downpipe is installed. To install the resonator delete pipe, undo the old clamp and cut out the resonator. Thank you for watching and enjoy the sound clip.